Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to activate chat on Gmail account. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store and make sure your Gmail is updated. After you have successfully updated your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to go straight up and open up your Gmail account. So after you open up your Gmail account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top right here. So click on that. This is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to settings. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply select your Gmail account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on chat right here. And then you are going to have a chat icon just like so. Okay, next thing you need to do is to simply click on next right here. Chat with a friend. Next thing you need to do is to click on done.